Watch us turn this garage from this to this.
We didn't just coat this floor. We turned it into something that adds real value to the home. Here's how we did it. Every great floor starts with prep. So we began by taping the walls, and then we grind the entire floor and edges. This opens up the concrete so the coating bonds deep and not just on the surface. Once the floor is fully clean, we go through and fill all the saw cuts so the final surface looks smooth and seamless. We made sure to overfill the lines so we could go back and grind it down to a smooth finish. For security and to prevent debris, we clamp and seal the garage doors. And now for the good part, we mix the coating, adding pigment to part A, and then combining with part B, remixing to ensure a consistent and even blend. This is a high solids epoxy, so it goes down thicker, bonds better, and holds up long term. After it's mixed, this is where it starts to come to life. We pour the epoxy and then carefully squeegee and roll it out to get a smooth, even base across the entire floor. As we roll it out, we're watching coverage closely to make sure the finish stays consistent. And next up, we broadcast the flake. And this step refines the surface, removing excess flake so the final floor is smooth, consistent, and ready to be sealed. And now it's time for the final layer, the top coat. Right here you see us mixing the polyaspartic, and it's getting ready to go down on those flakes. Here's the final pour. Now it's really starting to get exciting here. This is where you start to see that sheen, that gloss, that finish. It's just all coming together now. Adding a flake floor to this garage really just added square footage to the house. It went from a place that you just park, get out, ignore the floor and walk in, to something that you just love to see on the daily. What once was a basic garage is now a clean and usable extension of the home. Check out the final product and hit the link in our bio for a free buyer's guide if you want to know more about epoxy coatings.